You're probably wondering if you came to the right place. Well, you did. This is the Frugal Gardener's gardening channel, but this summer we're going back to basics. Stay with me and I'll explain. Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. For, I guess, about 3 years now, I have been posting videos, running a blog, website, etc., about how to garden with little or no money. Well, there was a time I would have looked at this pile of items here and discarded it as junk, as most people probably would. But we are approaching Earth Day, and this is something I've been wanting to do for a while. So this is the start of my new series. The Frugal Gardener goes back to basics. Believe it or not, everything you see here can and will be used in my garden this summer. Basically, you don't need a lot of money to garden. There was a time when I couldn't afford to buy the things that I needed, so I had to improvise. You can call it upscaling, recycling, refurbishing, whatever term you like to use. The bottom line is, if you stick with me this summer, you're going to see how I am going to reuse every single one of these items and more. So what does that mean? It means you're going to save money, and it means less crap to go into the landfill. I'm not one of those preachy guys just going to tell you about how you should walk instead of driving your car, or that you shouldn't eat steak or whatever. That's not me. That's the other guy. This is basically for gardeners, people who are already gardening and just want to find a way to reuse what you have or save a few dollars. So this is pretty much the beginning, as I said, of this series. And if you subscribe, you'll see as the summer progresses what I do with this stuff. So until next time, this is the Frugal Gardener. Enjoy your day.